she's always like, I don't even have to ask her no questions. I could be like, I was with Jasmine, somebody gonna call her like, she was with you. She ain't even gonna think twice.
Like, we was here.
She left her charger in my car, everything. Just say anything. Like,
yes. And then be on the phone texting her like, so I said it's your girl Jasmine, and this is Jas the Angel Show. And if you guys cannot already tell, I have a special guest, my best friend.
Woo!
Say your name.
My name is Rima.
Yes, and she's also on YouTube. Just throw that out there. She has a wonderful YouTube channel with her husband by Ken and Rima. So check that out.
And go subscribe right now.
Yes, like, comment, subscribe, all that. This channel and hers. And that's it. So, what are we doing today?
So for today's video, guys, we are going to be doing the best friend tag.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited about this because we've been friends for
like 11 years.
11.
And we have not seen each other
in almost
over a year.
Yeah,
so this is the first time like we're actually in the same town together. As you guys know, we're both from Michigan. She moved out here like a year ago and just been out here doing the dang thing. So
and by out here, she means that we're in California.
Yes,
we're in California right now. Guys.
Yes, we're in California right now. Right. Like 11 questions that we're gonna ask. Basically, just questions about our friendship, how we met, etc., all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. So
right into the video.
Yes.
Okay, so our first question
is first impressions of each other.
So you want to go first? Or should I go first?
I'll go first.
You go first.
I'll go first because honestly, like outside of us getting to know each other, I'm gonna say like my first impression of her, I really didn't have one. Like she was this cute little short girl. Like we met at McDonald's, and I was like, she was kind of quiet. Like we didn't really talk right away. So like I'll say like maybe the first like week when I first met her, we really wasn't talking. So that was I don't know. I thought she was nice. I thought she was cool. I don't judge a book by its cover. So
yeah, my first impression of her, it was like, well, I didn't really know her, so I couldn't judge her. But like from the time that I've spent being around her, I just know that she is very, very talkative.
Like you know I'm talkative. Like whether I'm like your friend or not. Like you just see me in the streets and be like, this girl talks so much. Like,
yeah. Whether like from the first time that you meet her or see her actually, you'll see her talking about something, and that was my first impression of her. It was like, okay, she seems cool because friendly people talk. Mm-hmm. See, I wasn't that friendly, so I was like stay to myself.
That's why I said
I knew that she was really. I knew that she was really friendly because of the fact that she would be talking to anybody that would talk to her. She was gonna be talking, and that was pretty much my first impression.
Yeah.
We didn't really know each other until like a week or two after that.
For sure. So next question.
How and when did we meet? So obviously, if you didn't recognize from the first answer, we met at McDonald's.
Yes.
Which is where we were both working at the time. We were both 18 years old at the time.
18.
Which we're the same age. We're just 1 month apart.
Yeah, she's older.
I'm 1 month older.
But guess what, guys? We're both Libras.
We are both Libras. So that's how we like Libra sisters.
Yes.
To the death of us.
Yes.
But that's how we met because we were working at McDonald's.
Mm-hmm.
I was already there, and then she came in. I think
in 2009.
Oh, in 9.
So
yeah. So we met in
2009.
Yes. Okay. Yes. We met in 2009. We met at McDonald's.
Mm-hmm.
I was already there.
3. The question is, how long does it take for your best friend to get ready? And I'm gonna let her answer that because
Jasmine, it only takes her 45 minutes at the max to get ready. Because this girl is the most prepared girl I have ever met in my life. Like, she's always on time. She's always ready. If she says she's going to be here at 6:30, that girl is pulling up at 6:25 looking at you like, is you ready? Is you ready?
Yes.
And me?
On the other hand, not so much. Like, she takes forever to get ready. You do. Like literally, like if I say, okay, like say for instance we're gonna go somewhere, like I already have it in my mind, like what I'm gonna wear, how I'm gonna wear my makeup, how I'm gonna wear my hair, like everything. So when the day comes, it's just like I'm real quick. But this one, she's like, when I pull up, she don't even have like her outfit. Like she's still like, what should I wear, Jasmine? Should I wear this or should I wear that? I'm like, dude, like I've been waiting on you at the door.
I mean, I think like since we met, that Jasmine has always been the one that's always on time.
Exactly.
And every time like we have to go somewhere, I'm always like, as soon as she's pulling up to the door, and I'm like, oh God, it's time to go already.
Yes.
You know. But the good thing about her is like she's always on that, to come an hour early and sit at the door, because I will literally try to back out at the last minute.
Exactly. And I'm like, come on, like please, like we already talked about this. Like it's insane. I'm like, we already fully established this. What is the issue? Like, and I mean, what do we gotta talk through? Come, have a kumbaya, like, and then we're ready to go. Like, but
question. So, what is your best friend's favorite food? So, quick story, right? Before I even tell you guys what her favorite food is. Quick story. So like I said, we met 10 years ago, right?
Yes.
So for 10 years, we have been like consistently not doing the same things, but like
we have a tradition. She's being long with it. Like we have a tradition, and that tradition is
that we go to Chili's all the time, right? So for the last 10 years that we have been going to Chili's, every time we go to Chili's, this girl always gets the freaking chicken strip.
Yes, the honey chipotle. Honey chipotle chicken strips
with corn,
get broccoli and fries.
Fries.
Yes,
and
broccoli
chicken.
And fries.
But
and
it's
chicken.
mostly chicken strips. I mean, no matter where we go, if they have chicken strips on the menu, that's the first. That's her go-to.
Or dish, I'm gonna say is traditional to her culture, and she loves, like, she's Bengali, so she's from Bangladesh, and she likes this like shrimp and green bean like type of dish. It's so good. Like, you guys, like, I've had it like several times. I actually just had it like maybe 2 weeks before I came out here.
Jealous.
I know. Like, and I took a picture of it and sent it to her, like, look what I'm eating, not to brag or anything, but just to, just kind of, it made her sad, I think. Did it made
me a little sad.
Yeah,
because it made me miss my mom.
Yeah, like her cooking and everything. Yeah,
my mom has the most bomb shrimp and green beans.
Yes. What are 3 things your best friend keeps with her at all times? So I think I'm gonna answer that first since I read it, and I'm just gonna say, I know, like, chapstick or like something to put on her lips, hand sanitizer, and we talked about this.
Yes, you should know this.
What's the third one?
A ponytail holder.
Oh, a ponytail
which I have
holder.
right here.
Yes.
I cannot live with it. And my lip gloss.
Yep.
And then hand sanitizer somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, those are 3 things that you always have. Always, like, since I met you, you've always had these things. Gum. She cannot live without gum. She always has chapstick or Vaseline or some type of something.
Yep. Like,
so her lips don't get dry.
Blistex right here.
Blistex is probably one of her favorites. And then, to get jazzy like she is, she always keeps some lipstick with her. Okay, so the next question is, did we ever have a fight? If so, why? I don't think that we've ever gotten into a fight, because we don't fight. We just, like, have our moments where we're like, okay, just leave me alone for a little while. Or we just don't even say that. We just know.
We just know, like, to leave each other alone.
Yeah.
Like,
like, when I'm in a mood, she'll just be like, oh, whatever. She'll get over it. And when she's in the mood, I do the same thing. Like, and literally within like 15 minutes, we're back. Like, hey, you want to go get a drink?
Exactly.
You want to just go take a walk together?
Like, I genuinely think we're like the same people, just in 2 different bodies, and then we're like the yin, and like she's the yang.
I think like she's more level than I am. Like, I have a temper, and I'll get upset really fast, or get like really annoyed really fast. And Jasmine's always in the corner like, but we have to look at our other options.
Right.
It's not the end of it. And I just like, oh, whatever, forget all of this.
Right.
She has to be the one to come and calm me down. Like, and be like, okay, it's gonna be okay, you know. And
Yeah.
sometimes I am like that for her too, as long as I'm not in my feelings.
Right, yeah, seriously. Like, I'm the type of person where, like, she'll get mad, like any little thing would, like, set her off. Like, you know, where you be, like, in your feelings or whatever. But me, I'm like, it has to, like, build up. So, like, a couple things have to happen for me to be like, okay, I'm in my feelings. Or I just have to be this.
I've always been like
Yeah.
that. You know, I think that's like one of our strong points in our friendship, that we don't fight, or
Yeah.
like even if we do have disagreements, it never gets too far where I'm like, I hate you, Jasmine. I wish
Yeah.
you was never my friend.
Right, yeah. And we never, like, broke up, like, far as friendship go. Like, we never really had, well, not officially, like, not officially, like, we were like, oh, well, we're not friends anymore. And then, like, became back friends. Like, we never had a moment like that.
Yeah. We just, like, at one point we weren't talking, like, for a little while.
Yeah.
But
that was on me, because I was going through what I was going through at the time. And so, you know, I had to, like, come out of that on my own. And then that was, like, in 2013. And, like, literally, we have not, like, we've been inseparable ever since then.
Ever
like,
since
yeah.
then. Yeah, when we got back, cool.
Yeah, except, like, this year that but we literally text and talk, like, every single day. So
Yeah.
we just don't see each other. So that's
Until
it.
now. But
Until
now we get
now.
to see each other for a whole entire week.
Yes, and I wish it was a week longer. Like,
Longer.
oh my god. Okay, so the next question is, what is your BF favorite movie?
So her favorite movies that she's gonna always watch overall, that trumps everything, is a good action movie.
Yes.
She will not let that go. She has to see all the action movies,
Yes.
because they're the most interesting to her. Anything else is like, but out of all the things that she could watch, she would choose an action movie.
Yeah, because I'm definitely a fan of, like, Fast and Furious and, like, John Wick. And I would say that she loves chick flicks.
Yeah.
So she says she loves, like, her favorite movie is Pretty Woman. So
Pretty Woman is such a good movie.
yeah, I saw Pretty Woman. I like the part where he's, like, giving her this necklace, and he, like, opens the box and then he, like, slams it shut. Yeah, I
think my favorite
like
part in that whole entire movie was when he gave her the money to go shopping and she went to the store.
And
Remember?
then,
And they turned her nose up at her.
Exactly. They
and
turned
then
her
he
nose
came
up.
back and
Right.
took her back to the store and was like, buy everything. And they were
Exactly.
looking so stupid.
Exactly.
That's my favorite part of the whole entire movie.
Yeah.
You know, because I cannot stand when I go to a store and then the attendants are looking at me and they're being snobby. And
Yeah.
it's like, you don't even know what I have or what it is.
For
you know?
sure. It's his favorite memory is.
So I think we have the same favorite
We
memories.
have the same favorite memory,
Because
literally.
Our
yeah.
favorite memory, well, mine, and I think it's hers too,
Yeah.
is like back
in
the day. Like, look at how we say that. Back in the
Back
day.
in the day,
We used
when we were young.
When we were young and carefree and having fun and
Yes.
living life and don't even know what we
Yes.
was doing. Every single
Tuesday.
I mean, every Tuesday on
Yes.
the Tuesday at
Yes.
4:30.
Yes.
We would meet up
Yes.
and we would go bar hopping.
Yes.
We would go downtown
Detroit.
and we would go like from one bar. One of our bars was like Centaur.
Yeah.
We started off.
Probably the best place to get a good martini if you're interested. We would start there and then just go from bar to bar to bar
until one of us couldn't walk no
Yes.
more and the other one was holding the other one up.
Yes.
Like, okay, let's go. We almost made it to the car.
Oh, and like, let's not forget to talk about when we went to see, like, the one night we had got. So we were having so much fun, and we wanted to, like, find the Christmas tree
because they have a
Campus
Christmas
Martians.
tree. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
And we were literally out there, like, cold, shaking,
We're in 16
heels,
shoes.
like,
Look at Chris.
yes, like, trying to find this Christmas tree, like, oh my goodness, it was terrible.
And then we did find the Christmas tree, and we went out and started taking pictures.
Yes.
And not realizing, like, we didn't have on
coats, we didn't have
on
nothing. Like,
we was just out there
yeah.
chilling, like having the best time of our lives. And then we'd always, like, sometimes, like, over the summer, we'd hang out, and we would not get home till like 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
It'd be like 1 minute we're having fun, the next minute I don't know, and then the sun is rising, and here we are at 6 a.m. I'm like, Jazz.
Yeah. Can you describe your BF in one word? So.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
And the one word that I would describe you it with is loyalty.
Yes.
She has been the most loyal person that I have ever encountered, or that I am so lucky for her to be my friend. When I tell you that this girl is loyal, I mean, she's never talked about me. We've never
Why would
had
I
any
talk
beef.
about
I
you?
mean, I don't know. You know, people talk about people because
no.
and the only reason why I say that, like, you can talk about me and not saying that you are, because you're the only person that knows my deepest secrets and everything. Like, when I tell you she is my partner in crime, I mean literally in crime. Whenever I do something, whenever I'm doing something or up to no good or anything, this girl will always, she's always like, I don't even have to ask her no questions. I could be like, I was with Jasmine, somebody gonna call her, like, she was with you? She ain't even gonna think twice.
Like, we was here.
She left her charger in my car, everything. Just say anything. Like,
yes. And then be on the phone texting her, like, so I said so this is what happened.
You ain't never lied. Like, that's how it always be. Like, I have a story, guys. I'm gonna insert it in here because I know that this is dragging, but I gotta tell you this story. So one time, right, I had this story. This girl, she was all the way on, like, the west side of Detroit. Now, I used to work in Warren, Michigan. And it's probably like a 20-30 minute drive, right? So I got a gift from somebody I wasn't supposed to get a gift from. I called Jasmine. I'm like, yo, can you come to my job and get this gift for me now so you can bring it back to me later and act like you bought it for me?
Right.
And lo and behold, 20 minutes, I kid you not, 20 minutes later, it's like she flew there with an airplane. 20 minutes later, she calling me. She was like, yo, I'm at the gate. I'm like, girl, how did you get here so fast?
Right.
And then an hour after I got home, she came back with the gift.
Like, here you go. I picked this up for you. You know, I was thinking about you at the store.
I mean, I had many more, but that's the PG one.
That gift was expensive.
Yeah, it was like $100.
But the last question is, can you name each other family members? So we're just doing, like, immediate family. So, like, mom, dad, sisters, brothers, like.
And any other. Okay, so I know her family's name. Her dad's name is Andrew.
Yeah.
Her mama name is Linda. Shout out to you, girl. Because I love her. She's my home girl. Linda is my home skillet. Like, she's my second best friend next to her.
Right.
If she's not here, or if she getting on my nerves, I'm going to go talk to her mama. Like,
exactly.
All right,
like, when we took a trip to Vegas, like, you would have thought them two was best friends. Like, I'm like, are you serious? Okay, I see y'all. Yes, they got cool.
We got cool for real. Her mama is so. And she has a brother named Chris, another brother named Travion.
Yes.
Which I've known him since he was like 8.
Yeah.
Or 7.
Something like that.
Young.
Yeah.
He was really, but I've never met Chris.
Yeah, because he lives out of town, so that's not like like that's the reason why she never met him, was because he lives in, like, Kentucky, and he's been living there, like, even before we met. So
additional family members, which is Chloe and Cisco. We got her 2 little dogs, Chihuahuas, which Chloe actually used to be my dog, and then she took the dog. Well, she bought the dog for me at that point because I didn't want the dog no more, and then she ended up getting a second dog, which is a crazy dog.
Yeah, he is crazy.
That dog
is crazy. He's bona fide, like, certified.
Something is wrong with him.
He's crazy. Okay, he is crazy. Like, he's really, really crazy. Okay, but I can't say that he's crazy enough. Like, it's something wrong with that dog, but he's family at this point, so we gotta love him, right? We
gotta keep him, right?
Yeah, so, like, she has a lot of siblings. It's like 7 of them all together?
8 of us.
Oh, 8, okay. Well,
no, it's 7.
It's 7? No,
it's 8.
It's 8, because she has 1 brother, and then it's 7 girls.
7 sisters. 6 sisters.
I
always forget, guys. There's so many
1,
of them.
2, 3, 4, 5.
You don't
6,
count me
7.
as a sister.
I do count you as a sister. I don't count her as a sister officially, but it's still 7 girls. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's 7 girls. So anyways, I'm gonna say, so her mama is Razia. I love Mama Razia. She's like a second mom to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's cool people. And then she has her dad, Narul. Okay. And then we're going to get into the children, okay? So because it's a lot of them. Okay, so you have Bi/Mo, but we call them Bi. And then you have Rima over here, which she don't count, but for the sake of this, we're gonna name Rima, right? Because that's the way I'm gonna keep it in order. And then you have Shuma, you have Mashu, you have Naima, then Naima, and then you have the two twins. You have Sadu and Samu, and then you have Little Susu. Who Little Susu? I think I've been friends. Well, Little Susu, I've known you before she was born.
Yes.
But like that's how long like Little Susu was in her mommy's belly. Like at one point we were like friends. So yeah, I've known her little sister since before birth. But the rest of them, they were like shoot.
The twins
were like 5.
No, they were like 3.
Somewhere.
They were born in 06.
Oh
so
yeah, so they had to be like 3
when we first met.
Yeah. So
and then the rest of them, you know, they cool with her. She don't even need to. I don't even need to be there.
No,
anymore.
not at all. Not at all. Like I just
go
pop up. Like I just went over there like random like 2 weeks ago.
But I don't even think like it's even like she don't even go to my house. Like she be hanging out with my sister. At one point she was hanging out with my sister Shuma.
Yes, all the time.
that.
Yes, we stayed at the movie. Shuma like horror movies, so that's why. Like we would watch horror movies, and I hate horror movies, but I watch them for the sake of her.
Yeah. But she was hanging out with Shuma more than she was hanging out with me at one point.
Yeah, well, that's facts. That's facts. But I have my own relationship, honestly, especially with your sisters. Like I have my own individual relationship with each and every last one of them. Like, so I mean, like we're gonna like. This can't not work,
right?
because it's just too much. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like our families are invested. So I think like even if me and her like stop being friends, like my mom would probably but my mom would probably still
she'd be mad her, like Jasmine, I miss you. Come over. Well, this video is gonna be long. Is how did you guys know that you were meant to be best friends? And I'm gonna put forever.
Yes, and I knew like we were meant to be best friends from like the first time she helped me cover her up. It's like, no, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, right. It's a mess because I always right.
But I knew that we were meant to be best friends because like since we first met, like we think the same. We not talk the same, but we like literally have the same thoughts. Like I could look at her from across the room and she'll know exactly what I'm thinking. You know, and then it's like we're same but we're different. And then we're always growing together. Like from the first time that we've met, we're always growing together. Like we've always had cars. We've always kept
and we
job,
always like had like similar like
interests.
I don't know. We were always on the same path, pretty much. Like like we were always. But for me, how did I know like we were meant to be best friends? Like everything she said was like 100% true and factual. But how did I know? Honestly, like I knew that we were meant to be best friends like back when I got hit by a car, which I have a video about that. And I remember like not being able to like leave the house, not really having a car to drive, like just that whole summer just solidified because like we were friends from like 2009 till like that point. Like we were cool, but I felt like we became like best friends, like sisters, like for me at that time, because we just really. And then like this one time she brought me this pop.
Oh,
you
God.
remember?
Yes.
Like she drove like halfway. Well, not that far. She probably didn't drive that far in theory, but like I really wanted a pop, and I'm like, I can't move, I can't go nowhere.
I remember
I'm stuck in the house.
That's a story that was like literally in my mind, and I was gonna just say that's crazy. I was just like, remember that time? Like, yes, I remember she had called me and she had texted me and she was like, I really want this pop and I can't. I'm like, all right, no worries.
Right,
I'm on my way.
Exactly.
And then I pulled up and we sat on the porch like Friday.
Yes. And then from that point on, like, we've just been
inseparable. Inseparable,
Yeah.
though. Like, and it's like no matter where on earth that we are, we're always gonna try to find a way to circle back and come back for one another.
Yeah.
You know? And then this was so great, though.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
So
guys.
yes, guys, like, I really enjoy, like, oh my God, like, this is my first cameo. My best friend, oh my goodness, Rima, like, I'm so thankful, like, and grateful that this day is even, like, been blessed to us, you know what I'm saying, like, to do this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope meeting my best friend kind of gave you more of an in-depth insight on who I am, you know. And yeah, so anyways, you guys, like, comment, subscribe,
and then make sure you guys go follow my page, which is
Ken and Rima.
That's it. Just Ken and Rima. Just Ken and Rima, and we do vlogs and we drop videos every single day. So make sure you guys go check that out.
And their videos are extra lit.
And
especially the most recent
videos.
Like, please check me out. I feel like it's all hilarious. Like, it's extra funny. Like, just, you know, just go check it out. So anyways,
we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be back with another video. Bye.
Bye.